Well, I'm in a 2017 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, we'll make sure this is started and this display's on, which it is. And then from here, we'll go to Settings, Bluetooth, and then we can add a device and view devices. And there's a limited number of devices you can have stored, so you might need to delete one first before we can add a new one. So it looks like this is pretty full. So we'll go ahead and delete one of these. So we'll go ahead. So we'll go to this arrow and then delete. Yes. All right, so now we just made room for another. So we'll add a device.
Search for your vehicle on your device.
And then from your phone, make sure Bluetooth's on. And then if you push and hold the Bluetooth symbol, often it'll bring you to a pairing menu. We're looking for Expedition. And it'll say what you're looking for there. Might take a few minutes. Sometimes you might need to restart your phone, try again, or the car, but usually it pops up pretty quickly. But now that we've started the pairing engaging, it just pulled these random numbers that we need to confirm. So those do match, so we'll pair and then confirm on the vehicle. And then that should be it. So once that's finished connecting, you should be able to take phone calls, things like that. You could sync up to play music as well from your phone, and then especially the newer models, typically you can sync up maps and things as well.
To changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
And if you sync up your phone books and things like that, that just makes it a little easier for taking phone calls. If you make it your favorite, then that just means the vehicle's going to try to connect to your phone every time you get in the car and start it. Just for convenience for you. And then, yeah, like I said, it's trying to sync up messages and phone books. But I hope this was helpful. And if you're having issues playing the music from your phone, double check here in your sources that you're on your phone. So this will be your phone. And then make sure the volume's on your phone as well as the volume for your vehicle. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.